Are you living as a stranger to yourself? In this transformative video, we explore why self-reflection, mindfulness, and personal growth are the keys to a fulfilling life. Packed with heartfelt stories, actionable advice, and life lessons, this is your wake-up call to fix yourself before it's too late. Let's embark on this journey together. Tag a friend who needs this message and share your thoughts in the comments below. You know, it took me years to realize that the biggest battle I'd ever fight wasn't with the world around me, but with myself. Today, I want to share something with you that could change your life forever. It's not about finding success, chasing wealth, or impressing others. It's about fixing yourself before it's too late. Most people go through life patching the cracks in their walls without ever fixing the foundation, and I was no different. I thought if I just worked harder, smiled bigger, or earned more, the emptiness would fade. But it didn't. I'm here to tell you, it won't. One day I hit a wall. My health was failing. My relationships were strained. My mind was a chaotic mess. I kept asking, why does life feel so hard? And then it hit me. I was living as a stranger to myself. I hadn't taken the time to truly know who I was or what I needed. Have you? If you're honest, probably not. But it's okay, let's change that starting today. The first step to fixing yourself is reflection. When was the last time you sat with your thoughts? Not with a screen, not with distractions, but just sat? Start by asking yourself, what's really bothering me? What am I avoiding? Write it down. Journaling isn't about being poetic, it's about being honest. Next, simplify your life. I've learned that too much noise, mental and physical, drowns out the things that truly matter. Unfollow accounts that make you feel less than. Declutter your space. Say no to things that don't align with your values. Because here's the thing, if everything is important, nothing is. Another lesson I learned the hard way is this: relationships are your greatest treasure, not the ones built on convenience, but the ones rooted in love and trust. Call your parents, apologize to your friend, spend time with your kids, because when the dust settles, it's the people who stand by you that matter most. And then there's the importance of mindfulness. Life isn't happening tomorrow or 10 years from now. It's happening now. Too often we live in the past or chase the future, forgetting to savor the present. Take a deep breath with me. Feels good, doesn't it? That's the power of grounding yourself in the moment. Make it a habit. Change doesn't have to be monumental. It starts small. Maybe it's taking a walk instead of scrolling your phone. Maybe it's reading one chapter of a book instead of binge watching a show. These small wins, they compound into something extraordinary. Fixing yourself isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It's about being brave enough to face the hard truths and gentle enough to forgive yourself along the way. Start now, because one day you'll look back and realize that the time to change wasn't tomorrow, it was today. If this resonated with you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more life lessons.